What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you all coming in here for the new video. Unfortunately, I did not get the audio for the pack opening because I was opening it on Henry Extreme, and let me tell you, that luck, I needed his luck right there. It was his community pack opening. I got to open it on his stream. It's pretty sick. And yeah, I mean, my pack luck hasn't been good this entire year at all. I have not pulled a 97 plus in a pack the entire year. But I mean, this is my best pack opening in the entire year. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys, and we'll get right into the video right here.